Hello, 6th standard students. Welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson percentage and its applications. Now coming to the example 8. You have learnt about the simple interest and all, isn't it? So now find the simple interest on a sum of rupees 2000 at 5.5% per annum from 7th June 2015 to 19th August 2015. Now, the time is not given. So, rupees 2000, what is it? That is the principal. 5.5%, that is the rate of interest. So, right, solution principal is equal to rupees 2000. Rate of interest is 5.5%. So, convert into the improper fraction. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11, 11 by 2%. Now time, it's not given, we have to find out. So it is given 7th June to 19th August 2015. So number of days you have to find out. In June, there are total 30 days. So they have told from 7th June. So 30 minus 7. How many days? It is 23 days, isn't it? Now in July, how many days are there? 31 days. In August, up to 19th August means 19 days. Now you add all. It is 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Remember, number of days always it comes in a multiples of 73. So usually whenever this type of sum is given, the number of days will be given as 73 or 146 or 219, 292 or 365. Anything, it will be in the multiple of a 73. Now total number of days you got, that is 73 days. Now time is equal to 73 days when it is given in days. How to convert into years? Divide by 365. So 73 ones are, 73 fives are. How? 5 3s are 15, 1 in hand, 5 7s are 35 plus 1, 36. So you got 1 by 5 years. अंडरस्टूड? तो सबको ये समझ में आया? जब आप लोगों को टाइम नहीं दिया जाता है, ऐसे डेट वाइज दिया जाता है, तभी आप लोगों को नंबर ऑफ डेज फाइंड आउट करने का है. तो कैसे करेंगे? इधर बोले हैं 7th जून टू 19th अगस्त. सो जून में टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज कितने हैं? 30. तो 7th जून से, तो इसका मतलब -7. So you got 23 days. और जुलाई में कितने हैं टोटल डेज? 31. और अगस्त में 19th तक, इसके लिए 19 डेज. सो फिर सबको ऐड करो 73. सो हमेशा याद रखो, if it is coming in days, it will be either the 73 or in the multiples of 73. फिर उसको ईयर्स में कन्वर्ट करने का, डेज को ईयर्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए डिवाइड बाय 365. सो 73 बाय 365 विल बी 73 ones are, 73 fives are. So you got 1 by 5 years. Now it is only the simple interest you have to find out. Put the formula. SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. फिर write 2000 into the rate of interest is 11 by 2 into time is 1 by 5 or in the denominator 100. 20 cut. 2 ones are, 2 tens are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 11s are 22. So you got the SI is 22 rupees. Understood? So it is only difficulty is to find out the time in this type of sums. Hope everyone understood the example. Now coming to the worksheet sums. worksheet 5. Okay, worksheet 5, first question is find the simple interest on 1300 rupees at the rate of 5% per annum for rupees 146 days, 146 days. So first you write what are all given. Principal is equal to rupees 1300, that is 1300. Rate of interest R is equal to 5% and time is equal to 146 days. So days है तो उसको ईयर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करने का, 146 डिवाइड बाय 365. Now it is always the days are in 73 का टेबल है ना. 73 में कितना आएगा, 73 का टेबल में 73 2 जा 2 3 जा 6 2 7 जा 14, मतलब 73 2 जा 73 5 जा. So you got it is 2 by 5 years. Okay. Now coming to SI is equal to formula P into R into T upon 100. Put the values 1300 into R is 5 into time is 2 by 5 and denominator it is 100. 0 0 cut, 5 5 cut. So it will be rupees 13 2s are 26. Is it okay? Now coming to the question number 2. Find the amount. So SI first you find out, then the amount. So Meena gets on depositing rupees 1500. So P is equal to rupees 1500. R is equal to 8% and time is equal to 73 days. That will be 73 upon 365. 73 ones are 73 fives are, that is 1 by 5 years. Now SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Now put the values 1500 into 8 into 1 by 5 and in the denominator it is 100. 0 0 cut. 5 ones are 5 threes are, it will be 8 threes are 24. Now coming to the amount, they have asked you to find out the amount is equal to principal plus SI. Always write the formula. Now principal is how much? Rupees 1500 plus SI is 24. Put it within the bracket. Rupees 0 plus 4 4, 0 plus 2 2, then it is 5 and 1. So you got 1524. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood first and second questions. Now coming to the question number 3. It's a what amount will Reena get by investing rupees 4500? They have asked to find out the amount. Okay, so first you have to find out the SI. Now by investing means what is it? Principal is equal to rupees 4500. Now R is equal to 4.5%. 4.5% convert into the improper fraction. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2%. Now time is equal to, they have told September 8. 8th to 20th November. I told 2015. See, remember, if it is a leap year, usually they don't give. Leap year is 366, so that they won't give. Usually you will be getting the 365 days, that sum only. Remember that. Now, time we have to find, isn't it? So, number of days, it will be how much? September. So, start from September. In September, total how many days are there? Total, it is 30, isn't it? 30 days in a September minus, it is 8th September. So, minus 8. So, how many days it is? 22 days. Now, September के बाद आएगा October. In October, how many days are there? 31. Okay. Now, in November, it is up to 20th. So, 20. Now, add total number of days will be 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. So, you got 73 days. I told you always it will be 73 or its multiple. Now, coming to time is equal to 73 days, convert into years, that is 73 by 365 is equal to 73 ones are 73 fives are, that is 1 by 5 years. Now, we have to find out SI. What is the formula? P into R into T upon 100. P is how much? 4,500. R is how much? 9 by 2. T is how much? 1 by 5. And in the denominator, 100. 2, 0, 2, 0 cut. Now, 5 ones are 5 nines are 45. So, you got, now 2 and 9, you cannot cancel. So, it will be rupees 9 nines are 81 by 2. अभी इसको हम रुपीस पैसे में करने का है, तो क्या होगा? 2 4s are 8. Now 1. 2 how much are 1? Not possible. इसके लिए 0. Immediately decimal डालो और take 1 extra 0. 2 5s are 10. अभी 5 पैसे में 5 का मतलब क्या है? It is 0.5 का मतलब it is 50 पैसे. Is it clear? So, it is 81 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. Now, 1 remains. So, इसके लिए 0. Here it is 0. 1 is the remainder. Immediately decimal. Take 1 0. 5. Last year's decimal lesson. Okay. Now, coming to amount is equal to principal plus SI. Principal is 4,500 within the bracket plus 40.50, that is rupees 50 paise. Then 0454 means 4,540 and 50 paise. So, what amount will Reena will get? Reena will get an amount of rupees 4,540 and 50 paise. Clear? That was a the question number 3. Now question number 4. Find the simple interest. Here only simple interest on rupees 3,500. Okay, so this is what principal is equal to rupees 3,500 at 4.5%, means rate of interest is 4.5%. That is 2 in the denominator, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 2%. Now, time is given in a days, isn't it? Time is equal to, it is a, you have to write number of days in March. 15th March, they have told, from 15th March, means in March, total how many days are there? 31 minus 15. So total how many days it will be? 16, isn't it? So 31 total number of days minus the date, whatever is given. Next, April, total how many? It is 30 days. Now अगस्त तक जाने का है, मार्च अप्रैल मई, मई में 31, जून it is 30, जुलाई it is 31 and अगस्त डेट कितना बोले हैं? It is 8. Total number of days कितना आएगा? ऐड करो. It is 8, 9, 10 and 16. 1, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4 times. 3 4s are 12, 13 and 14. So it is 146 days. So time is equal to 146 days. Convert into years. 146 upon 365. 73 2s are 73 5s are. That is 2 by 5 years. Now they have asked only SI. So simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. That is P is how much? 3,500 and R is 9 by 2 and time is 2 by 5 and it is 100. Now 0 0 cut, 2 2 cut, 5 1s are 5 7s are. So 7 9s are, it is 63. So the simple interest is rupees 63. Hope everyone understood this much. All the sums we have completed the lesson, isn't it? Okay then, bye. Thank you.